Today we are going to talk about a question that I received so often, and that is, how long does it really take to get good at violin? The first thing I have to say about it is probably also the most boring thing, and that is that it depends. It depends on your personal situation, how much you practice, how much experience you already have with music. But I know that is not a very nice and fulfilling answer. That's why I want to give you more of an estimation of what you can learn in the coming years by playing the pieces for you that I think you can learn in 1.5 years, 3 years, 5 years and 8 years. Now, before I start playing these pieces, I want to stress this would be the ideal student. A student that would practice 45 minutes a day, every single day for the coming years, for all those years that they practiced. Normally, this is not the case. Most of my students don't practice every day, and you don't have to feel ashamed if you don't. But I want to give you an estimation of which level you could reach if you would practice 45 minutes a day and would be really deliberate about it. So, let's have a look at it. Of course, some people move forward faster because they practice much more. Some people move much slower. And if you are one of those people that is moving forward much slower, that is completely normal. Most people don't reach these levels in 5 years because most of them don't practice 45 minutes each and every day. I just want to remember you because sometimes in the violin world we all tend to feel like we're not good enough, we need to become better, and we kind of never reach the level that we want to reach. So remember that playing the violin is not about becoming the best. If that is your goal, I highly recommend you not to have this goal anymore, because I think it won't make you very happy. And I think it will make you happy to realize that music is all about enjoying our time together, spending time together, enjoying beautiful music, playing for other people and having them enjoy music. And you don't at all need to reach a super high level in order to experience all these wonderful things music has to offer. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you feel like you got something from this video and this helped you in any way. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more violin tutorials and violin inspiration videos like these ones. And I wish you a beautiful day, enjoy practicing the violin, and keep moving forward step by step a little bit every day.